Do you think buying an Audi means holding luxury, technology, and German prestige in your hands? That's true, but it's not the whole story. Because behind the sleek exterior and the iconic four-ring logo, some models can turn your dream into a nightmare with sky-high repair bills and recurring technical issues. But there are also standout choices where performance, durability, and long-term value come together perfectly. In this video, we'll dive into the lesser-known downsides and reveal the 3 Audi models to avoid, along with the 4 best Audi models worth buying, helping you save thousands of dollars and a ton of headaches. Comment 1 if you find the video helpful, or 2 if you don't. Thank you. Three worst Audi models to avoid. Audi Q5 2009 to 2012 2.0L turbo engine. The Audi Q5 from 2009 to 2012, equipped with a 2.0L turbo engine. Sounds like an appealing choice, doesn't it? A compact SUV with elegant styling, a refined interior, and Audi's renowned Quattro reputation. But beneath that glamorous surface lies a ticking time bomb that has cost many owners dearly. The fatal flaw of this Q5 model lies in its timing chain tensioner. This small component is critical to the engine's survival. When it fails, which often happens without warning, the result can be catastrophic engine damage. And you know how it goes. Replacing or overhauling an Audi engine is never cheap. Many owners have shelled out over $6,000 just to rescue what they thought was their dream car. Some have likened owning this Q5 to playing a game of chance, except the stakes are your wallet. Audi did launch a limited service campaign to address the issue, but not all vehicles were covered, leaving many owners to foot the bill themselves. It just goes to show that no matter how beautiful a car is, it can't mask the anxiety of wondering if it'll start every time you turn the key. Audi A4 2009 to 2011 2.0L turbo engine. If the Q5 has owners worried about its timing chain tensioner, the Audi A4 from 2009 to 2011 with the 2.0L turbo engine is tied to another nightmare: excessive oil consumption. It sounds minor, but imagine this. Every 500 miles, you need to top off a quart of oil. A sedan from a luxury brand meant to offer complete peace of mind suddenly becomes a bothersome companion that forces you to carry a spare jug of oil at all times. Audi initially claimed this was normal consumption, but for an expensive car, no one accepts a routine of filling gas in the morning and oil in the afternoon. And that's not all. This engine also suffers from heavy carbon buildup in the intake manifold due to its direct injection design. The result? Loss of power, sluggish acceleration, and a less than smooth driving experience. On top of that, the PCV system, responsible for managing emissions and engine pressure, frequently fails, causing the car to shake, jerk, or even stall in the middle of the road. Picture this. You're cruising on the highway, and your car suddenly lurches to a stop. No Bang & Olufsen sound system can soothe that kind of frustration. The irony is that, in terms of design and interior, the A4 from this period still embodies the essence of a proper German car: sharp exterior, refined cabin, and a sleek dashboard. This contrast is what leaves many owners torn between laughter and tears. You pay for luxury, only to end up with aggravation. The advice here is clear. If you're eyeing an A4 from 2009 to 2011, only sign the papers if you're certain all these issues have been thoroughly addressed. Otherwise, walking away might just be the best way to protect your wallet and your peace of mind behind the wheel. Stop for 3 seconds and click the channel registration button to support us. Audi A6 2012 to 2015 3.0L supercharged V6 engine. In the mid-size luxury sedan segment, the Audi A6 has always made a strong impression with its sophistication and class. Particularly from 2012 to 2015, the version equipped with the 3.0L supercharged V6 engine captivated many with its impressive acceleration and opulent interior, true to Audi's signature style. But beneath that polished exterior lies a series of issues that have left more than a few owners exasperated. The first and most common problem is the cooling system. The water pump and thermostat often fail prematurely, sometimes before hitting 60,000 miles. It might sound like a minor component, but replacing them on a German car like this is far from cheap, typically costing $500 or more. And here's the kicker. If not addressed properly, These issues can recur multiple times. But the biggest pain point of this A6 model lies in the timing chain's location. While many other engines place the timing chain at the front for easier repairs, Audi positioned it at the rear of the supercharged V6 engine. This means that replacing or repairing it requires mechanics to disassemble nearly the entire engine, a process that's incredibly labor-intensive and costly. Owners often describe astronomical repair bills, sometimes high enough to buy a brand new economy car. And it doesn't stop there. The supercharger itself, the very component that gives the A6 its impressive power, isn't entirely reliable either. After a few years of use, many owners start noticing strange noises and reduced performance, leading to specialized maintenance requirements that drive up costs significantly. In reality, the 2012 to 2015 A6 with the 3.0L supercharged V6 is like a beautiful painting rendered in vibrant colors, but beneath the surface are cracks only the owner truly understands. If you only focus on its elegant demeanor or initial performance, it's easy to fall in love. 4 Best Audi Models to Own. Audi A4 B9, 2017 onward. After the controversies surrounding technical issues in earlier generations, Audi was forced to make changes. And starting in 2017, with the launch of the A4 B9, you could clearly see the brand's determination to redeem itself. With a new generation 2.0L engine, this sedan is not only more powerful and fuel efficient, but also puts an end to the oil consumption issues that once drove customers away. Problems like carbon buildup in the intake manifold or PCV system failures, which were persistent weaknesses, have now been thoroughly addressed by Audi. But the A4 B9 isn't just about technical improvements. It's a complete transformation in terms of experience. The cockpit, featuring the virtual cockpit display, makes a strong impression, giving you the feeling of piloting a spaceship with all information presented neatly and modernly. The interior is minimalist yet luxurious, with meticulously crafted details, true to Audi's style, understated but incredibly captivating. Notably, the integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto makes it easy for users to sync, turning the A4 B9 into a true tech companion. The driving experience? Hard to fault. The A4 B9 retains Audi's traditional sporty feel while striking a perfect balance with comfort, making it ideal for long drives. It's not as stiff as a BMW 3 Series, nor is it so soft that it lacks emotion like some Mercedes models. Instead, the B9 chooses a middle path, exciting enough to keep you engaged and smooth enough to make you want to drive it every day. If earlier A4 generations made people hesitant, the B9 is both an apology and a statement. Audi has listened, and they've corrected their mistakes. More importantly, they've created a sedan you can buy with confidence, not as a gamble. Audi TT Generation 3, 2016 onward. When you think of Audi, models like the A4, A6, or Q7 might come to mind, but it's easy to overlook a hidden gem, the Audi TT Generation 3, launched in 2016. This isn't a car that screams for attention with sales figures or dominates its segment, but it delivers a driving experience that has left many owners saying, "I wish I discovered it sooner." The biggest strength of this TT generation lies in its rare balance of style, emotion, and reliability. Audi equipped it with the EA8888 2.0L turbo engine, a refined version that has nearly eliminated the oil consumption and timing chain issues of earlier models. As a result, the TT is one of the rare Audis that owners seldom complain about when it comes to repair costs. As for the driving experience, imagine gripping the steering wheel of a compact, lightweight coupe with a solid chassis, where every turn feels precise and responsive. The TT doesn't boast overwhelming power, but it delivers excitement with every press of the accelerator. It's like a shot of espresso. Small, compact, but strong enough to wake you up and get you thrilled. Inside, the minimalist yet modern cockpit features a central gauge cluster that doubles as the infotainment screen, offering a truly driver-focused experience. Fewer buttons mean fewer things that can break, a clever design choice that also boosts the TT's reliability. Audi Q7 Generation 2, 2017 onward. If the first generation of the Audi Q7 left many owners frustrated with electronic issues, suspension problems, or unpredictable maintenance costs, the second generation, launched in 2017, marks a true transformation. This is no longer just an SUV for showcasing luxury. It has become a reliable, large family SUV, a contender capable of going toe-to-toe with the BMW X5 or Mercedes-Benz GLE. The first highlight is its 3.0L turbocharged V6 engine. This redesigned version boasts improved durability and eliminates the common issues of its predecessors. With proper maintenance, this engine runs smoothly and quietly, delivering confidence on both highways and crowded city streets. This means you no longer have to dread massive repair bills when the odometer crosses 100,000 miles. The interior is the Q7 Generation 2's knockout punch. With 7 comfortable seats, premium leather, exquisite aluminum or wood trim, and an intuitive entertainment system, the cabin feels like a mobile luxury living room. Notably, the third row of the Q7 is genuinely usable, spacious enough for adults on long trips, a feat many competitors in the segment can't match. In terms of technology, the Q7 from 2017 onward has thoroughly addressed the electronic gremlins of earlier models. Driver assist features like collision warnings, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control function reliably without being intrusive. This not only makes journeys safer, but also reduces stress for the driver on long drives. Audi S4 2018 onward. The Audi S4 from 2018 onward is considered a major turning point, not only because it carries the legacy of high-performance sedans, but also because it shows Audi's ability to balance thrilling speed with long-term reliability. While earlier S4 generations, especially those with V8 or twin-turbo setups, were often labeled fast but fragile, this new generation tells a different story. Still powerful, but reliable enough to keep you from panicking every time the check engine light comes on. At the heart of the modern S4 is a single-turbo 3.0L V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This duo delivers blistering acceleration, under 4.5 seconds to hit 60 mph, while operating smoothly and with far fewer minor issues compared to older configurations. The driving experience is exceptional. Throttle response is immediate, gear shifts are seamless, and most importantly, you can enjoy the thrill of speed without sacrificing peace of mind over sky-high repair costs. The S4's cabin is another major plus. Audi doesn't just create luxury with leather and metal, it crafts a space that makes you feel truly cared for. The seats hug your body, the dashboard is minimalist yet modern, and the entertainment and safety systems are comprehensive. Above all, the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures the sedan remains confident in any weather: rain, slick roads, or even when you want to test its cornering at high speeds. In other words, the post-2018 Audi S4 proves you can have your cake and eat it too. You get to enjoy sports car performance while maintaining long-term reliability. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that's not just about flaunting speed, but also about being a dependable companion for years, the S4 is an answer you won't regret. When it comes to Audi, not every model is worth opening your wallet for. The Q5 from 2009 to 2012, the A4 from 2009 to 2011, and the A6 from 2012 to 2015 can leave you reeling with enormous repair costs. But from 2016 onward, Audi has made significant strides. The A4 B9, TT Generation 3, Q7 Generation 2, and the modern S4 are both durable and reliable. The real value lies here. Choose the right model year, ensure complete maintenance records, and you'll enjoy German luxury while keeping your wallet safe in the long run. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.